Baeksu Machinery Multi-Deck Vibrating Screen. It can be customized to fit your product model according to your demand for production capacity. Through the vibration action to sieve different specifications of finished materials. There are 2 layers, 5 layers of screen mesh, and the screen mesh size can be customized according to the size of aggregate needed. It can be used as a separate screening material, or can be used with our crusher line to crush the stone and then screen it. What kind of product configuration do you want? Feel free to contact me with questions.